Name is Rohanika Thavan, and I'm incredibly excited to take you on a profound exploration of the captivating world of showbiz. Today, we're delving deep into the glittering world of chaos, a realm where resilience and the interconnected ecosystems of creativity reign supreme. So, buckle up as we embark on this transformative journey together. Resilience, a term often associated with bouncing back from adversity, takes on a whole new meaning in the unforgiving landscape of the acting industry. Imagine being just 3 years old, stepping onto a bustling set filled with lights, cameras, and eager faces. That was me, an eager child diving headfirst into the mesmerizing world of acting. Little did I know that then, alongside the glitz and glamour, resilience would become my steadfast companion, guiding me through the highs and lows that awaited. As a child actor, the audition process has felt like an emotional roller coaster. There have been times where I've poured my heart into a character only to hear the word no, which did become a recurring theme. Each rejection has left a stinging mark, fueling insecurities and self doubt. But amidst the setbacks, I found resilience, a silent companion urging me to persevere. With each rejection came an opportunity for growth and a chance to refine my craft and get an inch closer to my dreams. I grew thicker skinned and I learned not to blame myself for the growing and disheartening pile of rejections that I faced. However, resilience doesn't exist in isolation. It thrives within the rich tapestry of storytelling and interconnected ecosystems that define this acting industry. Within this ecosystem, every member plays a distinct role in crafting memorable experiences for audiences. Directors, makeup artists, costume designers, and set decorators. All of them who work tirelessly behind the scenes to create immersive worlds that transport viewers into different eras and settings. One of the most rewarding aspects of this ecosystem has been the bond that I've formed over the course of 8 years with my cast on my longest running show. My cast and crew became my second family. They're the unsung heroes behind the scenes, making the magic happen whilst I pretend to be someone else. They ensured that I was always taken care of and that my childhood wasn't lost in the process of working. Right from playing a spot on set with me to bringing me toys to keep me upbeat and making sure that I was always comfortable on set. In this ecosystem, every member plays a distinct role in crafting memorable experiences for the audience. As an actor, I've had the privilege of working alongside talented directors who have guided me in bringing my characters to life with authenticity and depth, and their mentorship has been invaluable in shaping my growth as an artist. Behind the scenes, there are dedicated crew, makeup artists, costume designers, and set decorators who aren't even given a chance to be in the spotlight, but they're the ones who work tirelessly to transport us viewers into different eras and settings. Whether it's rehearsing scenes, improvising on set, or sharing moments of vulnerability when it comes to emotional scenes, these connections have forged lifelong friendships. And I was lucky enough to call my cast and crew my chosen family. I found solace and support within my crew, a tightly knit community where bonds were forged over years of collaboration. Together, we became more than just colleagues. We became a second family. Their unwavering support and determination and encouragement has bolstered my resilience, reminding me of my worth beyond the glitz and glamour in an industry that can sometimes, be superficial. As I grew older, my roles became more complex. Resilience for me has taken on new meanings. And balancing schoolwork with long hours on sets, managing emotions whilst portraying intense scenes, and maintaining a sense of normalcy amidst public recognition, all of which required a steadfast spirit. There have been times where rejection and overexhaustion has threatened to overshadow my passion. But my family's supportive presence at any time that I've needed them, and the pep talks my mum, dad, and grandmom that have given me each time I needed a little nudge to get going, has kept me going till today. They're my rock, my cheerleaders, my personal hype squads. Their pep talks are like shots of espresso. And even today, they're a major reason behind me attaining fame in the industry. However, with great fame and stardom comes the cost of constantly being in the public eye and having to swallow multiple perceptions of me and my personal life. Right from hate to trolling online, it has been very tough. An example I like to share was when I purchased my very own home. To me, it was a huge achievement. However, I was faced with intense amount of backlash and hatred online, and was even subjected to jealousy from some of my closest friends. I had to learn to close myself off from the negativity completely. Developing a social filter has helped me become more thick-skinned and resilient as a person. This has helped me acknowledge criticism in a positive manner by, of course, working on myself, whilst also filtering out the needless and malicious hate. Almost poetically, to balance out the hate, the love and warmth that I've received from people who have appreciated me and all my work has helped me push through, even through the toughest of times. The wider ecosystem faced is the larger audience that was watching me, both online and on TV shows that I starred in. It was daunting, constantly being in the eyes of the public and managing some unrealistic expectations the public had of me. Amidst all the recurring chaos on the internet, I had a nurtured relationship with the professionals that I've worked with, allowing me to have a home away from home in the acting set. Despite having a very home-like ecosystem when it came to my longest-running show, outside there were increased expectations, right from my physical appearance to how I was supposed to carry myself in public. The stereotypical ideology of how an actor is supposed to look like led to a shattered self-esteem. It's had me working on myself right from weight loss to greater physical fitness and a greater effort from my end to improve my physical appearance, which has resulted in me indulging in diets and workouts at a relatively young age. I've had more salads than I care to admit in the pursuit of that elusive, perfect image. Above all, unrealistic public expectations did shatter my confidence and the frustration of solely my craft not being able to make it big enough. Becoming accustomed to the constant scrutiny was a hurdle within the acting industry. However, I've learned to take control of my own narrative. I realized that my voice, my performance, mattered, and that I could use it to challenge these preconceived notions. By embracing my unique acting style and individuality, I was able to redefine what success really meant to me in the acting world. And this has helped me regain my confidence. Slowly, but surely, I began to see the result of my efforts. People in the industry started to appreciate me and my authenticity and all the courage in challenging the status quo. This journey was not easy, but the growth that I've experienced through it was invaluable. My experiences as an actor has taught me resilience, self-acceptance, and the importance of staying true to oneself, even when faced with unrealistic beauty standards and public opinions. As someone who's grown up in the world of acting, I've come to see this industry not just as a profession, but a vibrant community of artists and creators. From a young age, I've been captivated by the magic of storytelling and the transformative power of performance, and I've always longed to perform this magic professionally myself. To be able to do this professionally since I was a toddler has been a privilege and a pleasure. And as I continue to grow in this industry, I cherish the sense of community that defines the acting ecosystem. It's a place where dreams come alive, where creativity knows no bounds, and where each individual contributes their unique talents to a collective tapestry of storytelling. As I stand before you today, I'm reminded of the transformative power of resilience and the interconnected ecosystems that sustain it. It's a reminder that success in the acting industry isn't just about talent. It's about resilience, community, and unwavering determination. My story and learnings from the film industry have been a defining factor in my personal and professional development. As a young adult, I stand before you today, a resilient part of my ecosystem, committed to refine my craft and elevate my performances, whilst growing and maturing with the industry. So here's to the crazy, wonderful world of acting, a place where dreams come alive, a place where I call home, and a place where interconnected ecosystems fuel creativity and inspire growth. Thank you so much for joining me on this introspective journey, and I hope my learnings can help make a difference in your life for the better. Thank you.